Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. We have a G35 Sedan here, and I'm going to teach you how to take off your window switch. So sometimes these guys fail, sometimes the switches break, or maybe this little piece of plastic is just really chewed up and you want to put a new one on. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so window switch is very easy. Like, literally, you need one tool. So you're going to take your flathead, and I like to go on the back side right here, and then just kind of put it in there like that, and then you're going to want to pry back on the little cushion, and then it literally just pops up like that, and you can get the rest out with your hand. Just kind of wiggle it up, and you're going to spin that this way so that it's going to expose the clips to you. Put your flathead in there just like so, get those guys loose like that, and then on this last one it's on the side, so just go push that guy down. And there you go. It's very simple. Literally 20 seconds and you can remove your window switch.